Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the switch-on time of the light assistance on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap Car in the top right corner, then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Choose Light from the options. Tap Switch on Time under the Light Assistance heading. You can now choose between early, medium and late. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.